Let's see. Wait. Let's see. Huh? Mason. Yeah. Yeah. Let me see. A little bit. Ha.
You gotta scoop it into his mouth, upper
No,
lip, and then
his tongue is sticking it out. Yeah, that's
you go
okay.
like this.
It takes a while. His tongue is pushing it out. Huh? Your tongue is still pushing it out. Yee. Yeah. A little bit more. Huh? Come on. Huh? It's okay. Take your time. There we go, Mason. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're getting used to it. It's all right, buddy. Yeah? Take your time. Take your time. Here. Just try the spoon again. Yeah. Yeah, his tongue is still trying to push it out a little bit. Huh? You want a little more? You want a little more? Ah, yeah. Come on. Take your time.
You gotta put it farther back into his mouth.
No, he gags. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Take your time. Whenever I put it too far, it starts getting gaggy. I know you want to try a little more. It's okay. Come on. Huh? Well, I don't want you to play with it. I want you to try to eat it, huh? Come on. A little more? Yeah. No, you don't want any more? Just a little bit. Yeah? Huh? Yeah. Hold on, buddy.
That's what the drill cloth is for.
Hold on. And a little more. Yeah. Yeah, Mason. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, Mason. Come on. Yeah. No more. Yes, buddy. And we just have to keep trying. Come on. Ha. No? Yeah, you want to try? You want to try some more? A little bit? Come on. Yeah. Good boy, Mason. Yeah. Look at that face, huh? Look at that face. Huh? Here, and try some more? A little bit? Look at your face. Come on. Ha. Yeah. 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 First time. It's okay.
He wants to wipe his own face. Here.
You try another bite? You want the bowl, but I don't think you want to eat it, huh? I know, it's rice cereal. I would say the same thing, huh? Yeah? No? No more? No?
That's like you're feeding poison.
It probably tastes like it. Yeah, it tastes like oatmeal. Mommy feels the same way, huh?
Well, you're the one that wanted oatmeal. You should have just got a regular rice cereal.
Same
Trying to
thing.
get all fancy.
No? No more?
That's enough
Okay,
for today.
no more. Here. That's it. Yeah. No more, huh? You're done. Don't eat Mommy's phone.